This Rose Realty property video is presented by Nathan Johnson. Great investment property. Has newer replacement windows all around. Newer flooring in kitchen, hallway and back bedroom. Bathroom has an updated shower/tub/surround. Updated countertops in kitchen. Large eat-in kitchen with range and refrigerator included. Central heat and air plus washer/dryer hookups. Nice front and back porches. Fenced backyard. Cellar basement with storage. Immediate possession. Being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Nathan Johnson at 270-926-4203.